My admiration for Marcelo Bielsa is huge. So, because he made the players better, no, much better. I didn't meet one old former player from Marcelo Bielsa speak no good about him, how they are grateful about his influence in their careers, of course in the football. He helped me a lot from his advices. When I am able to speak with him, I feel he want to help me. So it doesn't matter. That means important for me to say that about Marcelo, because it doesn't count how many titles he won in his career. Always we are judged about how many success we have, how many titles we won, and that is less important about how he's influenced about the football, about his football players. That's why for me it's the best coach in the world, and I'm looking forward to see him in Lille next season, and of course I'm pretty sure he will influence in their team, in their club, and their players will be huge, amazing. I'm pretty sure of that.